Here we have a Milwaukee 4208-1 electromagnetic drill press. This has a swivel base, as you can see. It's your tightening handle. Appears to be unused. It's in really good condition. All the functions appear to operate very nicely on here. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to fire it up to show you that it does operate. So you hit your magnet, turn it on, red button comes on, hit the forward, it's a variable speed control. Turn it off. We'll go in the opposite direction. Again, variable speed control. Turn that off. And you can flip it around for other speeds right here. You got your low and your high. It's in really good condition. Has a couple little scuffs from shipping. That's about it. It includes a safety hold down chain, some wrenches, now this will ship in 2 separate boxes. The item weighs about 87 pounds, and just to avoid any damage like the motor the threads coming off, what we're going to do is we're going to separate the motor from the base and ship it in 2 separate boxes.